Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has opened up about his delight in handing Kaizer Chiefs young star Duduzi Shabalala his long-awaited senior national team debut during South Africa's emphatic 3-0 over Rwanda in the 2026 FIFA World Cup qualifier. The 21-year-old attacking midfielder was introduced late in the match as Bafana sealed their qualification for the Continental Showcase. For Broos, the timing was deliberate. The team's commanding lead provided the ideal environment to ease the promising youngster into international football without pressure, and that when you work with young players, it's important not to throw them straight into the deep end. You have to introduce them at the right moment, and today was that moment. Even though it was only for a few minutes, he got to feel the atmosphere and the spirit of the group. The Belgian mentor revealed that Shabalala's hunger and commitment during training sessions convinced him to give the rising star a taste of the big stage, and said, "I wouldn't have given him that chance if I hadn't seen how he carried himself in training. He wanted to prove himself, and that's exactly the kind of attitude I want from my players." Broos also heaped praise on Cape Town Spurs forward Ashley Cupido, who stepped into the squad after Lily Foster was sidelined with an injury. Despite knowing he might not feature prominently, Cupido's professionalism and team-first mentality left a strong impression on the coach, and said he saw how Cupido handled the situation. "I told them that if Lily was fit, he would start and that he might even be in the stands." He simply said, "No problem, coach. I'm happy to be here." That's the kind of mentality you can build a team around. Players like that don't set conditions, they just work. With South Africa's latest victory continuing their impressive run under Broos, the coach's emphasis on attitude, discipline, and the gradual integration of young talent seems to be shaping a resilient and unified Bafana side. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.